How to remove TurboTax Live Deluxe. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The only way to remove the deluxe option is to clear and start over in TurboTax. You can clear and start over as long as you haven't paid or registered yet. Remember that you are not able to clear and start over using the mobile app, so you have to log into your TurboTax account from desktop or mobile browser to clear and start over. The first thing you want to do is sign into your TurboTax online and open your return by clicking on the orange Take Me to Return button. With your screen maximized, click My Account. Now select Clear and Start Over option. Then answer yes to Are you sure you want to clear your return? After your entries have been cleared out, TurboTax will prompt you to select a TurboTax product so you can start over from the very beginning. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.